Do you want soft, supple lips without spending a fortune? I will show you how to make lip oil. It only takes a few ingredients and less than 5 minutes to make. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends. Today I'm going to be making another DIY project. I'm going to be making a do-it-yourself lip gloss. It is actually going to be more like a lip oil. But let's get started, shall we? This is going to be a very short and sweet video. The first ingredient is fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil is a feather-light emollient that softens and hydrates dry skin while increases essential oil distribution. Unlike other carrier oils, fractionated coconut oil leaves lips feeling silky smooth without feeling greasy. So we're going to be using 2 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil. I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in my measuring cup there. The next ingredient is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil contains vitamin B and E and minerals like zinc and copper, which helps give you soft lips and moisturizes and prevents cracks. And we're just going to be doing 2 to 3 drops of this. The last ingredient is essential oil, and you can use whatever essential oil you would like. A popular choice is any fruit flavor one. I am going to be going with blue cotton candy. So 3 to 4 drops of this. And I'll go ahead and do the 4 drops. And then you want to go ahead and mix that up until it's fully incorporated. Now you want to take a little roller ball. This is supposed to fill up a 10 milliliters. I don't know what size this is, so we're just going to go ahead and try it. Take the lid off, and then you just kind of push to the side and take the roller ball off. And they say just to go ahead and use a dropper or pipette to pour it into the bottle, but I'm going to use a little funnel. And then you go ahead and put your roller ball back on. Make sure it's very tight. Screw your lid back on and shake it up. And there you have it, your very own lip gloss. Or actually, it's more like a lip oil. It is quick and easy. You just put it on to hydrate your lips and make your lips taste good. While it increases the essential oil, just fractionated coconut oil leaves lips feeling silky smooth without feeling guilty. You can use whatever If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell to get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.